So at the New Front, we went through a lot of our content across Yahoo: news, sports, finance, entertainment. One of the announcements we made was the fall comedy lineup, which will be launching in September. It's 8 original shows launched all at the same time, so that's more than 100 episodes at once to really enable our audience to binge if they want to, which is what our data is showing us. If audience loves a comedy show like Burning Love, they want to watch a bunch of them whenever they want, wherever they want. So we'll be launching that, and we'll also be launching our partnership with Saturday Night Live with Broadway Video, which we also talked about at the New Front. Very exciting, the exclusive home, Yahoo is, the exclusive home for the SNL archives from 1975 to present. So that's going to be a really robust catalog and library for users to explore. And
when does that go up?
that'll go up in September with the shows. So think of it as a whole comedy channel that will be available both as a video-only experience, and of course then it'll be distributed throughout our owned and operated sites in a personalized way. And that's something I should mention, is what we're really in the midst of doing is personalizing the network. You already see it in the US on our homepage. You see a personalized stream of content, and that will be rolled out throughout the year, personalizing the experience for each and every user. So our content, our comedy offerings, SNL, will also be distributed in that way. We have a bunch to say this year. Clearly, what a difference a year makes. We've been almost a year with Marissa Meyer at the helm of the company, and the energy is palpable. We are moving at such a rapid pace. We're innovating. We've launched more products in the last 6 months than we had in the previous 6 years. I think that's an accurate stat. Some of those products we're talking a lot about, like our beautiful new Yahoo Weather app, which if you haven't downloaded it, you absolutely should, and play with it. Looking at the weather in Cannes has never been so gorgeous. In fact, I like the way it's been put, which is instead of actually checking the weather, users can now see the weather. And of course, that's powered by Flickr. So we've also relaunched the Flickr app, and of course announced a terabyte of storage for each and every user, and relaunched our mail app, and so on and so forth. And you're going to continue to see that pace of innovation, that pace of development. Here in Cannes, what was really fun is Monday we did bring Jack Black and his producing partner Priyanka Mattu from Electric Dynamite. We brought them to the stage at the Palais, and we also brought Nick D'Aloisio, our 17-year-old founder of Sumly, which is a company that we acquired back in March. We've already integrated the Sumly technology into our homepage. So that technology summarizes, it's an algorithmic mechanism for summarizing content that really fits today's consumer who wants to look at things in bites and get to the essence of something quicker and more easily. So we had Nick on stage with Jack and Priyanka to really talk about the marriage of technology and content. And that's really Yahoo's story. That's a story we're telling this week in Cannes, how we are marrying great content experiences with world-class technology. I see convergence continuing to happen, meaning consumers will watch web content seamlessly with television content online, right? And the web stars of today are the, quote, media stars of tomorrow. We're already seeing that with a lot of the YouTube names that are out. We're actually doing a show with Michelle Phan, who's a big star on YouTube, of course, called Fashion Trotters, about global beauty trends. So you're going to start to see really those worlds continue to merge and converge. And what's exciting for creatives like Jack Black is that there are no rules online. There are no rules around formats, around length of content. The speed to market is much faster. The authenticity of the voice and their ability to reach their fans, right, is much more immediate, and to get feedback from their fans. So what's exciting for brands is really the opportunities are endless to connect with the consumer. I think it's essential that everybody continues to listen to the user first, that we put our consumer first and really look at what they're watching and what they're interested in and meet those needs first, and then everything else I think will follow. But what we're doing at Yahoo is scaling. I would say the one big word is we're scaling on what we've been building. So you and I have talked many times in the last couple of years. And the last couple of years were about really showing our commitment to original content, to premium online content. I'd say now we're scaling on that.
What do you mean by that? Yeah.
We're going to be adding more content from more partners, adding scale through premium partnerships like with Broadway Video, adding the archives from Saturday Night Live from 1975 to present, adding more diverse types of content, enabling users, of course, to upload their own content. I'd say it's really about scaling out what we've already built on, and thus allowing each and every user to get a personalized video experience, which will require a lot of different kinds of content, because what I love isn't necessarily what you love, and so on and so forth. Web original content is still an important part of that, because it's what's going to make us unique. It's what's going to put a unique Yahoo voice around all of this content. But personalization will also make us unique. If you come to Yahoo every day and you see those 10 or 20 or 1,000 things that you love that are relevant to you, that becomes in itself a differentiator. So really exciting time, but the story we're telling with original video is scale. The offering to the market is actually the ability to buy across 18 distinct categories of video, as well as being able to sponsor shows. We still offer that, as well as buying audience targets, both on Yahoo and off Yahoo. So there are a lot of different ways to participate in the video marketplace at Yahoo as a brand sponsor.